Friend, stop right there. I know you're ready to move to Mexico, but let's be real. You don't even know if you're invited to the cookout yet. Before you pack a single bag, you need a permission slip from the Mexican government, otherwise known as residency.
Stop wasting hours on YouTube and Google University trying to guess the math to see if you qualify. Our Mexico relocation eligibility audit tells you in 2 minutes if you meet the current requirements before you schedule a consulate appointment or book that flight.
And at the end of this quick audit, you'll instantly find out if A, you're qualified and can start packing your bags, B, you're at a maybe and maybe at risk of denial, or C, you're not quite there yet and need a different strategy, which we might be able to help you with.
We're Tristan and Cece, Mexican residents and relocation consultants who help our clients move to Mexico with clarity and confidence. If you're looking to avoid wasting time and money and want to expedite your move to Mexico, click the link to take your quick eligibility audit.
Stop the guesswork and start moving with confidence.